Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you're doing well and God bless you. Today we're going to check how we won yesterday. We almost won a jackpot. The number that I did not see it coming is 17. I don't know why, but I didn't see it in all the way. Yeah, so let's check how we're gonna make money today, guys. And congratulations to the winners. Yesterday we made you. Wait, guys. Oh no, what is this? All right. So today we're going to use the same method. Before we continue, this is my phone number in case you are interested in joining the WhatsApp group. This is the phone number in need and join the family group. We are a family. We fight to make sure we win something. And my group, we are very happy. Now it's time we make money. And if I remember correctly, as I can see my book, yesterday after we done doing the math, if you watched the video yesterday, we did read all the numbers which were calculated, the whole numbers, and you could see when I'm reading some number 3 times, some numbers 2 times. I did read for you, and I'm sure you won. All right, so today, in case you are interested in winning these numbers, all you have to do is to use the pairing app, guys. Don't go and just buy 500 voucher and pair only 5 ticket. You will see you can even spend the 5 years pairing randomly like that without winning anything. Then we start thinking that, oh, I have a bad luck and this and that. No, it's not that. If you want to win, take at least the less number you can pay. It's 8 numbers or 7. You saw yesterday on my screenshot. We pay on Twitter. We had 7 numbers, right? If you pay any 3 number, it's 35 a ticket. If you pay any 2 numbers, it's 21 a ticket. So meaning that you'll be spending 56 to bet, right? It's very hard when you have a 10 voucher because you end up leaving the winning number behind, then pairing the wrong ones. So that's how we should play always. If you don't have that kind of money, you can just wait when you are ready, when you have money, then you pay the numbers. So me, I'm blessed because I can see I always have some pairs which like 2 numbers pay, which are hot among them, then I pay them correctly, randomly, then make 5 ticket. Because as you continue following how the numbers are following each other, how numbers are moving together, you will see that you will know which number is pairing with which. So for example, yesterday I had 29, right? And 29 it was 40 time. I had also 35. So 35 likely to move with 18, then 18 paid on lunch, then I know 35 is the bank, and then I paid with the numbers which is 29, and 29 also like to pair with 16, then 16 like to pair with 1. Do you understand? So that is how you can get less pairs if you've only learn how the numbers move. For example, 40, 47, they like they like to move together. And the 40, 49, and the 47, 49. You can check on Betway if 47, 49 came, then because the 40 and the 47 and 49 came, then the 40 was the remaining number to come on lunchtime. So that's how 40 was my banker for lunchtime. So yeah, that's how you always get the 2 numbers pay. 47, 49, I won it yesterday because of the knowledge, right? So not because of the mathematics I calculated. Please, this is the advice you can take from me in case you are asking yourself how does she manage to get all these winning numbers. check the numbers movement by yourself, not by the page on the papers you see out there on Facebook or whatever when they are sharing the charts. Learn it yourself. Check the numbers. For example, I know that when a 35 play, they can bring 8. You see, but now 8 is here, and you can see it's very fun, and we are expecting 80 today. Can you note it down? Thank you so much. So let's start. Yesterday we won using the addition. I had 18 only using my special secret strategy, but when you add this number together, then you know 18 is a sure number, right? 18 is sure number, and then you remember I told you where I got to 40, and if you spin 40 before now, how many numbers are they? There are 3 numbers straight, which I knew they would come. Now, when 21 play, and the 24 here is the 24, 21 is here down there, all right, and the 12 is here, 12, 21, 24. When they play, you expect 48, so that's how I won 48. The 42 is sitting. I played it to also for that reason. So that's how I got the 5 winning numbers. Guys, now it's time I show you. So if we add these numbers together, we have 18, which came. We're going to add this number together to get 19. Write 19 down and write also 15. Plus or minus. Since they use the plus, right? They can use that also minus today. 15 and 19, write the numbers together. 17 and 19, they like to play together, and they didn't come on this lotto. They should come. All right, so let's search for 17 and 19 to see when last did they drop together as a pair. They came on 8th of March. You can see 17, 19 came on 8 March. 17, 19 February. So you can see I told you that some numbers they will like to move together, and it's the fact that if you can get that number as your bank, and then you know which number to pair with. 17, 19 and January, so meaning each month they come, each month. In January here again together, in January again, so meaning that you want something. So that's what I was explaining to you. So the strategy that we use, write 8, 7, 15, 19 down. Then we're going to add this number together again. We have 29 and 33. Write 33 down again. All right. Always use that one. And then we're gonna add this number together. Look at this one. When we add, they gave 84, which is 48. Then you're going to add this one, and I also split to make 4, 8. When you add is 12, 21. 21 is sitting there, all right? So 8 is the number which didn't drop. And the 4, 2, 4, 8, I gave you again 2, 4, 8 yesterday, because 2, 4, 8, every time you see the code of 8 as a hot number, they can replace it with 4 or 2. I told you yesterday also in the video, you can see 2 and 4 are here because 8 was played previously in the same draws like this one. It means it's squared the O-wing of the chart, the numbers movement by playing lunch and the tea time, right? Then that's how I played 4 instead of playing 8, because 8 was the hottest one. So we can play 8 still, because 8 also can move with this 35. Let's go. Now, the other method, remember in numerical order, we add this number together and then we double by 2. This one gave us 46, then it gave us 92, which gave me 29 as a number. Then we said 2 plus 9 is 11, which came. 2 minus 1, 9 is 7, which already played on lunch. And then 29 on T, so this code gave us 11 and 29. That's why I'm telling you that I didn't have a D17. All right, so now when you 29, when you pair with you multiply by 2, because you add them and you multiply by 2, you'll be having 58. Then you do minus 10 is 48. 48 was the hottest. So my banker was 40. Then I had the sure number 48 and 18. These were the numbers that I could trust as the three numbers, right? Then I say, okay, if they spin 40, they make it 4. So when you have the number which are not tenable, it's very good. Now, when you say, okay, now let's move. 5 and 8 is 13. 13 came on a Betway. And 3 also. Let's move. 5 came and 13 on a Betway, meaning that it's played. Now, let's move. The other method they used yesterday is take the Betway or the branch time and the draft time bonuses, adding them together or minus. So the answer was 5 and 21. And then 5 and 21 came on drive time as a pay. So do the same today. I don't remember which the result, but it's okay. Oh, let me check the result of Betway, then do the mathematics. So for today, we have 19 and 8. So the banker on branch time, it was 19. It was, the bonus. Then because in 17, 19 they like to move along, then they play the 17 on lunchtime as a bonus. So that's how it is. Okay, yesterday I checked the mathematics. Okay, I'm gonna check the result. So meaning that you should check a Betway or the branch time result, then you compare it with your numbers to see which number you can play. So you take that bonus, you add plus or minus, because I can't get the result now, right? Then when you're done, you play those numbers well, but depending on where you want to, if you want to play both the rows or you just want to wait. Yeah. So now we're going to also use this method because yesterday it worked. When you do minus, you give us 17. If we do minus, we have a 25 and 33. In case they do plus. So write down a 25 and 33. Right? All right. So that's how it is. And the other method that can be used is to do minus. Let's see, 30, 41 minus is 3, minus 14. Let me put in numerical order. 27, 35. So 35 was used on tea time. 35 was used on tea time. So here we're having 33. Write it down at 33. Then we have 44. If they use a lunch time number, we have 44 and 33. So the numbers are not a lot today. Go and play those ones are enough. And let me see. Right, you can see that 18 move over 36. Then 40 and 44 move over 41. So those are also some extra numbers. We have 15, 18, 38, 35, 41, 15, 19, 47, 33. And the other number you got, because these are numbers I'm reading for you, are the numbers I calculated a long time ago. Thank you. Bye-bye.